Have you ever wondered how ancient wisdom can guide your modern life? Today, we delve into Stoicism, a philosophy born centuries ago. Stoicism isn't just a philosophy, it's a practical guide for living. It emphasizes virtue, reason, and harmony with nature. But why is this ancient way of thinking still profoundly relevant in our fast-paced, complex world today? Let's explore the core principles that make Stoicism a timeless tool for personal growth and resilience. At its heart, Stoicism teaches that virtue is the highest good. It's about living excellently, guided by reason. This pursuit of virtue is distilled into four cardinal qualities: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Wisdom is the ability to navigate life's complexities with sound judgment and understanding. It's about knowing what truly matters. Courage isn't the absence of fear, but the strength to act rightly despite it. It's facing challenges with integrity. Justice means treating others fairly and contributing to the common good. It's about our duties to humanity. Temperance is self-control and moderation in all things. It's mastering desires and impulses for inner peace. Next, the powerful concept of the dichotomy of control. This principle helps us distinguish what's truly within our power. We control our thoughts, our actions, and our reactions. These are our internal domain. Our true freedom. What we cannot control are external events, other people's opinions, or the past. Dwelling on these is futile. By focusing our energy solely on what we can influence, we gain peace and effectiveness in life. Living in accordance with nature means living rationally and accepting the natural order of things. This includes embracing change, adversity, and the cycles of life, understanding they are part of the grand design. Amor fati, or love of fate, is the profound idea of embracing everything that happens, good or bad. It's seeing every event, every challenge, as necessary for our growth and development, a part of our unique journey. Premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils, is a practice of contemplating potential misfortunes. This isn't pessimism, but a way to build resilience, reduce anxiety, and prepare ourselves for life's inevitable setbacks. Now, let's explore why these ancient ideas are more crucial than ever in our modern world. Stoicism offers powerful tools for mental resilience, helping us manage stress, anxiety, and emotional turmoil. By focusing on what we control, we can navigate challenges with a clear mind and a steady heart. For decision-making, Stoicism guides us towards rational, virtue-based choices, leading to a more fulfilling life. It encourages us to consider the long-term impact and align our actions with our deepest values. When dealing with adversity, Stoicism provides a robust framework for facing setbacks and loss with equanimity. It teaches us to accept what we cannot change and find strength in our response, transforming obstacles into opportunities. For personal growth, continuous self-improvement and reflection are central to the Stoic philosophy. It's a lifelong journey of becoming a better version of ourselves, day by day, through conscious effort. Finally, Stoicism encourages ethical living, inspiring us to live with integrity and contribute positively to society. It reminds us of our interconnectedness and our duty to act for the greater good, fostering a more just world. So, how can we integrate these powerful Stoic principles into our daily lives? Let's look at practical applications. Start your day with a Stoic morning routine. Set intentions, prepare for challenges, and practice gratitude. Mentally rehearse potential difficulties, not to worry, but to be ready to respond with reason and virtue. In the evening, engage in reflection. Review your day's actions, thoughts, and reactions. Did you act virtuously? Where could you improve? This self-examination is vital for growth. Practice mindfulness and presence. Focus on the present moment, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. The present is the only time we truly have control. Embrace it fully. Journaling is another powerful Stoic tool. Use it for self-examination, to clarify thoughts, and apply principles. Write down your challenges, your responses, and how you can align them with Stoic wisdom. In summary, Stoicism offers practical tools for living a more virtuous, resilient, and tranquil life. Its enduring relevance helps us navigate the complexities of the modern world with wisdom and inner strength. We encourage you to explore Stoicism further and apply its profound principles in your own life. Discover the peace and power that comes from living a life guided by reason, virtue, and acceptance.